there a little bit more defensively. Coach Bennett always says, he still says that we have a ways to go defensively. We still got some holes to fill. We still got to stick to our principles defensively. Even though we're pretty much playing teams well in the second half, it's just that in the first half we're not necessarily doing the things that we should be doing defensively. And offensively, it's coming a little bit better because everyone's a little bit more aggressive offensively, and we're handling our shots.
They played that 3-2 zone a lot. Seemed to be giving you guys some problems in the first half. You kind of dealt with it a lot better in the second half. What was the secret? What did you guys do better?
We just said play inside out, and that's really what that was. And we did, and when we play inside out, we can create shots in the post, and we can kick it out for the guards where we get three.
Hey, Darren, going into the game, was there any particular point of emphasis Tony was trying to stress over everything else?
Crash the glass and stay in the stance and stick to our principles defensively. He really stressed that in practice and in pre-game, leading up to the game, in the locker room. He just really wanted us to have a really good defensive game. After the game, he told us that in the first half we were a little bit slow defensively, and we really picked it up in the second half, and that was what closed the game off.